Turning now to the coronavirus. Every day, COVID-19 vaccination rates are improving here in Virginia, but testing for the virus is going down, causing some concern for health leaders in our area. Our Cameron Thompson spoke with some of them today about why we're seeing lower numbers. Cameron joins us now live. Cameron?
Yeah, and Rob, these health leaders are saying that there is light at the end of the tunnel of all this, and that's through the vaccination efforts. But to get there, we need herd immunity. And because we are not there yet, they're calling on people to not let their guard down with the preventative measures to control the spread of the virus. And that's include getting a test.
At a drive-through COVID-19 testing event in Henrico County Thursday, only a trickle of cars made their way through, something Richmond-Henrico health organizers say has been a trend since the holidays.
We had more events, we had more people coming out, but then now the interest is just doesn't tend to be there.
Officials say hopefully a decline in testing would mean fewer positive cases.
But unfortunately, we are starting to see a small uptick.
They're lower than the holidays, but they're still higher than they were in the low parts of last summer.
Officials say there could be a number of reasons behind the trend.
Once you're vaccinated and you've been exposed, you don't necessarily have to pursue testing. So there might be very natural reasons why we might see less of a demand.
But another possibility and concern is pandemic fatigue. People who may have been exposed or have mild symptoms and may have gotten tested earlier on aren't doing so now.
Although we are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, we're not there yet.
And officials warn that while vaccine efforts are progressing, people still need to get tested.
The more testing that we do, the more we have a better understanding of what's going on in the community.
And they add, unlike early on in the pandemic, there are plenty of options to get one.
At your urgent cares, at CVS pharmacies, at Walgreens, and this is a great thing.
And officials are urging people to take advantage so they're not missing a chance to stop further infections, saying the risk of letting our guard down too soon is another surge.
We're going to have emergence of even more variants than we already have that may be more transmissible and maybe less responsive to our vaccine.
Now, coming up at 6, we talk to state health leaders who say they are seeing the same trend around the Commonwealth and steps they are taking to try and reverse it. Working for you in Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.